Next problem, integral dx by x minus p square root of x minus p into x minus q. It is 1 by linear into square root of quadratic. 1 by linear into square root of quadratic. What is the formula? It is a linear. This one is quadratic. Now, in this case, linear equal to 1 by t. Now, x minus p equal to 1 by t. Derivative with respect to x, dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Integral dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt by, here x is x minus p equal to 1 by t. 1 by t square root of x minus p 1 by t x minus q. Here x equal to 1 by t plus p minus q. Now integral minus 1 by t square dt 1 by t times the square root of, now 1 by t square plus p minus q by t. Now taking LCM, minus 1 by t square dt by 1 by t square root of, LCM is a t square, LCM of t and t square. Now 1 plus p minus q into t. Square root of t square, that is 1 by t. Now integral minus 1 by t square dt by 1 by t square, 1 by t into 1 by t square, square root of 1 plus p minus q into t. These two are cancelled out to minus of dt by integral 1 plus p minus q into t. Now integral 1 by root x dx 2 root x. This are 2 root x. This is standard formula. Integral x power minus 1 by 2 dx. This will be x power 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. This will be 2 root x plus c. Now integral 1 by root x 2 root x. Now minus of 2 root x, what is here? 1 plus p minus q into t divided by derivative of 1 plus p minus q into t, derivative of 1, 0, derivative of p minus q into t, p minus q. So minus 2 by p minus q, simplify it. Okay, what is the t in terms of x? Minus 2 by p minus q integral 1 plus p minus q into t. What is the t in terms of x? T equals 1 by x minus p. Minus 2 by p minus q times of square root of, take LCM x minus p. Numerator is x minus p plus p minus q. These were cancelled. Plus c. Now final answer is square root of minus 2 by p minus q square root of x minus q by x minus p plus c. This is the final one. Minus 2 by p minus q square root of x minus q by x minus. So which one is the right option? Second one is the right answer. Next problem, integral dx by x into square root of 5x square minus 3. Here x is the linear, 5x square minus 3 is the quadratic. 1 by linear into square root of quadratic. This one. Now linear equal to 1 by t. So x equal to 1 by t. Derivative with respect to x, dx equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Now integral dx minus 1 by t square dt by x into here x is 1 by t square root of 5 into x square. Now 1 by t square minus 3. Now integral minus 1 by t square dt by 1 by t square root of 5 minus 3t square by t. Square root of t square is t. This will be integral minus 1 by t square dt by minus 1 by t into minus 1 by t. 1 by t square root of 5 by 5 minus 3t square. This word cancelled out. So minus of integral dt by, it is like a square root of a square minus x square. A square minus x square. Okay. 3 bring outside. Now square root of 3 times of 5 minus t square. Now integrate 1 by root 3 bring outside, square root 3 bring outside, it become root 3. 1 by root 3 integral 1 by square root of root 3 bring outside 5 by 3. Now 5 by 3 whole square, it means root 5 by root 3 whole square. Square root of root 5 by root 3 whole square minus t square dt. 1 by root 3 integral 1 by a square minus x square sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a, here x is t by a root 5 by root 3 plus c. What is the t in terms of x here? T equal to 1 by x. Now 1 by root 3 sin inverse, here x is, here t is 1 by x. Now root 3 by root 5 into x plus c. This is the final answer. He given integral dx by x into square root of 5x square minus 3 equal to k into sin inverse of f of x plus c. Now compare these two. The k equals 1 by root 3, sorry, this is a minus 1 by root 3. Here k equals to minus 1 by root 3. K equals wrong option. Okay, k equal to minus 1 by 3. Sin inverse f of x equal to root 3 by root 5x is. So fourth one is the right answer. Next one, partial fractions of rational functions. 1 by x minus a into x minus b. Partial fractions. 1 by x minus a into x minus b. A by x minus a plus b by x minus b. 1 by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c. A by x minus a, b by x minus b, c by x plus x minus c. Now, 1 by x minus a whole square x minus b. A by x minus a, again b by x minus a whole square plus c by x minus a. 1 by x minus a whole cube into x minus b. A by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square plus c by x minus a whole cube plus b by x minus b. 1 by x square plus a square into x minus a, it is a quadratic. Now ax plus b by x square plus a square, next term is c by x minus b. Now 1 by x plus x square plus a square whole square. Now ax plus b by x square plus a square plus cx plus d by x square plus a square whole square plus next term is a, b, c, d, next term e by x minus b. Now x square by a plus x minus b into x minus c. Now it is numerator is quadratic, denominator is quadratic. 1 plus a by x minus b, b by x minus c. Ax square plus b by x square plus c, x square plus d. Now even degree. Okay, even degree. At this case, let x square equal to t, at plus x square equal to y, ay plus b by y plus c, y plus d. Now it is same result, this one. A by A y plus C plus B by y plus D. It's a partial fractions of rational functions. Okay, just examples, problems. Good problem just make idea vastundi. Now integral x square plus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 dx. Now x square plus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2. Now a by x minus 1 whole square plus b by x minus 2. Now taking LCM, x square plus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 equals a times of x minus 2. Take LCM, x minus 1 whole square, x minus 2. X minus 1 whole square, how many times is 1? X minus 2 times. So a into x minus 2 plus x minus 2, how many times is 1? X minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square into b into x minus 1 whole square. Now x square plus 4 equals a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1 whole square. For a, put x equals 1. So 1 plus మనకి ఏ కావాలంటే b ఎలిమినేట్ చేయాలి. b ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతుంది, x ప్లస్ 1 వేస్తే మనకి b ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోతుంది. 1 minus 1 0. సో ఇప్పుడు x equals 1, 5 left hand side, right hand side a into 1 minus 1 minus a, b into 1 minus 1 0, b into 0 0. Now the value of a equals minus 5. For b, put x equals 2. 2 square 4, left hand side 4, 4 plus 4 8 equals x equal to 2 minus 2 0, 0 into a 0. Now x equal to 2 minus 1 1, 1 square 1, b equals to 8, a equals to minus 5. Integral, okay, integral x square minus 4 x square plus 4 by x minus 1 whole square into x minus 2 equals to a by x minus 1 whole square. What is a? Minus 5. Minus 5 by x minus 1 whole square plus b is 8 by x minus 2 dx. Minus 5 is the constant, bring outside. Integral 1 by x minus 1 whole square dx plus 8 into integral 1 by x minus 2 dx. Integral 1 by x dx, that is the log x. Integral 1 by x square dx minus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus c. Integral 1 by x cube dx minus 2 by x square plus c. Integral 1 by x power 4 dx minus 3 by x cube plus c, and so on. Integral 1 by x power n dx minus n minus 1 by x power n minus 1 plus c. This is the formula. Now minus 5 into integral this one minus 1 by x minus 1 plus 8 into integral 1 by x minus 1, that is the log of x minus 2 plus c. This is the final answer. Minus of minus plus. Next problem, integral x square plus x plus 3 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 dx. Now x square plus x plus 3 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 equals a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Now x square plus x plus 3 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 x minus 3 equals a times of x minus 2 into x minus 3, taking LCM, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now plus b into x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now x square plus x plus 3 equals a times of x minus 2 x minus 3 plus b into x minus 1 x minus 3 plus c into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Let's put x equals 1. Put x equal to 1, b and c, b c eliminate అయిపోతాయండి. ఇప్పుడు x equal to 1, x equal to 1 వేస్తే b into 0 0, c into 0 0, ఏ వాల్యూ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇప్పుడు x equal to 1, 1 square plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5, left hand side 5, right hand side is a into minus 1 minus 2, 2a. Now a equals 5 by 2. Now put x equal to a 0 c 0, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus b equals 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, okay, minus b equals 2 square 4, 4 plus 2, 6 6 plus 3 9. Now b equals minus 9. Put x equal to 3, a 0 b 0 c. Now 3 minus 1 2, 2 into 1 2, 2c. 2c equals 3 square plus 6 9, 9 plus 6 15. Now c equals 15 by 2. Now integral x square plus x plus 3 by x minus 1 x minus 2 x plus 3 equals a by x minus 1 b by x minus 2 c by x minus 3. Here a is 5 by 2, 5 by 2 by x minus 1. Here b is minus 9 by x minus 2 plus c is 15 by 2, 15 by 2 by x minus 3 dx. Bring outside 5 by 2. Integral 1 by x minus 1, that is the log of x minus 1. Now this one is minus 9 times of log of x minus 2 plus 15 by 2 into 1 by x minus 3, that is the log of x minus 3 plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, integral x square plus 5 by x square minus 1 x square plus 2 into x square plus 3 dx. Can we observe x square is even degree, all are even degrees. Ax square plus b by x square plus c into x square plus d. Here let x square equals by even degree, all are even degrees. Now let x square be y. Now integral y plus 5 by y minus 1 into y plus 2 into y plus 3. Now x square y, so 2x derivative. Okay, y plus 5 by y minus 1, y plus 2, y plus 3. Using partial fractions, this one equals a by y minus 1 plus b by y plus 2 plus c by y plus 3. Now taking LCM, y minus 1 into y plus 2 into y plus 3, a times of y plus 2 into y plus 3 plus b times of y minus 1 into y plus 3 plus c into y minus 1 into y plus 2. Y plus 2. Now y plus 5 by y minus 1 into y plus 2 into y plus 3. Left hand side denominator, right hand side denominator, both are cancelled out. Now put y equals 1. y equal to 1. 1 minus 1 0, b into 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, c into 0 0. So a. Left hand side is 6, y equal to 1. 3 into 4 12, 12a. Now a equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 1 by 2. Next, y equal to minus 3. Y equal to minus 3. A into 0 0, b into 0 0. Now c into minus 3 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 4 minus 1 plus 4 4c. 4c equal to left hand side minus 3, that is 2. Now c equal to 1 by 2. Now put y equal to minus 2. Left hand side 3. Minus 2 0. This one minus 2 0. B into minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 3b. Now the value of b equal to minus 1. The value of b equal to minus 1. Okay. Your a is 1 by 2, b is minus 1, now c is 1 by 2. Integral x square plus 5, integral x square plus 5 by x square minus 1 into x square plus 2 into x square plus 3 dx equal to, what is the result of this one? A by, so 1 by 2 by y minus 1, what is y here? X square minus 1, b is minus 1 by y plus 2, x square plus 2, c is minus 1 by 2, y plus 3, x square plus 3, integral dx. Now integral 1 by a square plus x square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Now integral 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. These two are formulas. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into a is 1, x square minus a square, a equal to 1. Log of x minus a, here x minus 1 by x plus 1. Next, minus of 1 by x square plus a square, 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, 1 by a is root 2. 1 by root 2 tan inverse x by root 2 plus 1 by 2 into this one also a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, here a is root 3, 1 by root 3 tan inverse x by root 3 plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral x cube plus 2x by x power 4 minus 1 into x square plus 4. Now it is like a square minus b square, x power 4 minus 1. This one is x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 into x square plus 4. Even degree, but here odd degree there. So integral x square plus 2 into x by x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 into x square plus 4 dx. So here even degree. Let x square be t. 2x dx equal to dt. This one integral x square is a t plus 2 x dx equal to dt by 2. by t minus 1 into t plus 1 into t plus 4. Now t plus 2 by t minus 1 into t plus 1 into t plus 4 equals a by t minus 1 plus b by t plus 1 plus c by t plus 4. Using partial fractions. Now a times of t plus 1 into t plus 4, LCM of these three. Now b times of t minus 1 into t plus 4 plus c times of t minus 1 into t plus 1 equals to t plus 2. Put t equals to minus 1. Left hand side is 1. T equals to minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 which is 1. Now t equal to minus 1, 0. T equals to minus 1, 0. A 0, B 0. A into 0, 0. C into 0, 0. T equal to minus 1, minus 2. Minus 2 into plus 3, minus 6. Minus 6b. Now b equals to minus 1 by 6. B equals to minus 1 by 6. Next. Put t equals to minus 4. A 0, A into 0, 0, B into 0, 0. Now C into minus 4, minus 5, minus 3, minus of minus plus 15C. 15C equals left hand side minus 4 plus 2, minus 2. Now C equals minus 2 by 15. Now put T equals 1. 1 minus 1, 0, B into 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, C into 0, 0, these two are zeros, these two times zeros. Now A 10, 1 plus 1, 2, 5, 2 into 5, 10, 10A, 10A equals to 1 plus 2, 3. Now A equals to 3 by 10. A equals to 3 by 10. This will be 1 by 2 integral. So this one equals A by t minus 1, here A equals 3 by 10. 3 by 10 by t minus 1. Next, b by t plus 1. Here b equals minus 1 by 6. Minus 1 by 6 by t plus 1. Now c is minus 2 by 15. Minus 2 by 15 by t plus 4 dt. Now 1 by 2. 3 by 10 constant integral 1 by t minus 1 log of t minus 1 minus 1 by 6 log of t plus 1 minus 2 by 15 log of t plus 4 plus c. Final answer 1 by 2. 3 by 10 log of, what is the t in terms of x? T equal to x square log of x square minus 1 minus 1 by 6 log of x square plus 1 minus 2 by 15 log of x square plus 4 plus c. This is the answer. Next one, integral 3x plus 1 dx by x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1. Now 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1. Now using partial fractions. Now a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 1 whole square plus c by x minus 1 whole cube plus d by x plus 1. Taking LCM, what is LCM? X minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1. Here how many times? A into x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 plus b into x minus 1 into x plus 1 plus c into x plus 1 plus d into x minus 1 whole cube. Now 3x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole cube, x plus 1. Left hand side denominator, right hand side denominator both are same, cancel out. First put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. Okay. Put x equal to 1. A0, B0. So left hand side 4. 2 into C, 2C, D0. Now C equal to 2. Put x equal to minus 1. Left hand side minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 equal to, put x equal to minus 1, 0. This one 0. D. Now D minus 2 whole cube, 8D. Now D equal to minus 1 by 4. Put x equal to 0. 1 left hand side, right hand side x equal to 0. Minus 1, 1 into 1, 1 A. Minus 1 into 1 minus B. Plus C. X equal to 0 minus D. Now the value of C minus D, C minus D, 2 plus 1 by 4, minus of minus, so 2 plus 1 by 4, 9 by 4. Now this value is 9 by 4. Now A minus B equal to 1 minus 9 by 4, minus 5 by 4. Let us say equation 1. This put x equal to 2. Better on 2 or minus 2? Put x equal to 2, or 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7 equal to x equal to 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 into 3, 3a. X equal to 2 minus 1, 3, 3 into 1 plus 3b. Yes. Put x equal to 2 plus 1, 3, 3c. X equal to 2 minus 1, 1 cube plus d. Check once. X equal to 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 2 minus 1, 1, okay, 3a, 2 minus 1, 1, 3b, 2 plus 1, 3, okay, 3c, d, right. So here available value of c is 3 into 2, 6 plus d, d is minus 1 by 4. This value is 24 minus 1, 23 by 4. Now 7 minus 23 by 4 equal to 3 times of a plus b. 28 minus 3 times of a plus b. 28 minus 20, 28 minus 23, 5 by 4. Bring this side, 3 into 4, 12, 5 by 12 equal to a plus b. That is equation 2. Solve these two equations. We get a and b. So 1 plus 2, sum of these two. B cancel, b minus b cancel, a plus a, 2a. 2a equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 5 by 12. Taking LCM 12, minus 15, minus 10. 2 ones are 2 5s are minus 5 by 12. A is minus 5 by 12. Check once. Small wrong step here. Put x equal to minus 1. A0, B0, C0, x equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2 whole cube, minus 8d. Minus 8d, this one is plus 1 by 4. C equal to plus 1 by 4. Minus 9 by 4. 1 plus 9 by 4. 13 by 4. C minus d. Wait. Here 2 minus 1 by 4, 8. 8 minus 1, sir. 7 by 4. 1 minus 7 by 4. A minus b equal to minus 3 by 4. Here a minus b equal to minus 3 by 4. Now 3 times of a plus b plus 3c, c equal to 3 into 2 6, d equal to 1 by 4, 25 by 4, 7 minus 25 by 4, now 28, 28 minus 25, 3 by 4. So now 3 times of a plus b equals 3 by 4. Now a plus b equals minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. That is equation 2. Okay. Solve these two equations, adding these to 1 plus 2. B minus b by plus b cancel out, a plus a 2a. 2a equals sum of these two, minus 1 by 2. Now a equals minus 1 by 4. The value of a minus 1 by 4. We can find b. A value substitute either first or second. Now minus 1 by 4 plus b equals 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is half. B equals 1 by 2. A equals minus 1 by 4, B equals 1 by 2, C equals 2, D equals 1 by 4. What is the value of A? Minus 1 by 4. The value of B? 1 by 2. The value of C? 2. The value of D? 1 by 4. Now, integral 3x plus 1 dx by x minus 1 whole cube into x plus 1. This one equal to integral a by minus 1 by 4 x minus 1 plus b by 1 by 2 by x minus 1 whole square plus c 2 by x minus 1 whole cube d 1 by 4 x plus 1 dx. Derivative of 1 by x is log x. Derivative of 1 by x square is minus 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x cube equals to minus 2 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x power 4 equals to minus 3 by x power 3, and so on. Derivative of 1 by x power n equals to minus of n minus 1 by x power n minus 1. Now minus 1 by 4, 1 by x minus 1, derivative integral. So not derivative, sorry, integral. Now integral 1 by x minus 1, log of x minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by x square, integral 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus 1 by x, what is x here? X minus 1. Now plus 2 into 1 by x cube, integral 1 by x cube minus 2 by x square, minus 2 into 4, minus 4 by x square. Now x minus 1 whole square. Now 1 by 4 into log of x plus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. Next one, integral 1 by x power 4 plus 5x square plus 4. Here degree is even degree. Yes or no? Now even degree, let x square equals to y. Now x square equals to y. Put x square equals to y. Integral dx by y square plus 5y plus 4. Y square plus 5y plus 4. Product of the two, 1 into 4, 4. Sum of the two, 5. What are the numbers? 4 into 1, 4 plus 1. Now y square plus 4y plus y plus 4. What is the common in both the terms? Yeah, y is the common in both the values. So y bring outside y plus 4 plus 1 times of y plus 4. Again bring outside y plus 4. Now y plus 1. Now integral dx by y plus 4 into y plus 1 using partial fractions, or for example 1 by y plus 4 minus 1 by y plus 1. Now LCM is y plus 4 into y plus 1. Numerator is y plus 1 minus of 5 minus 3. So minus 4. So minus 3 numerator. So multiplied by minus 3 divided by minus 3. Or using partial fractions. Now 1 by y plus 4 into y plus 1 equals to a by y plus 4 plus b by y plus 1. 1 equals to a into y plus 1 plus b into y plus 4. Put y equal to minus 1. Left hand side 1 equal to 0 minus 1 b into minus 3. So b value is minus 1 by 3. Put y equal to minus 4. Left hand side 1, right hand side minus 4. This one is 0 minus 3a. Now a equal to minus 1 by 3. Now integral a is minus 1 by 3 by y plus 4 plus minus 1 by b by y plus 1. What's the y here? X square. Now bring outside 1 by 3 integral 1 by x square plus 4 dx minus 1 by 3 integral y by 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Bring outside 1 by 3. This one is integral 1 by x square plus a square 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a 1 by 2 tan inverse x by a is 2 plus it is also 1 by a square plus x square integral 1 by a square plus x square 1 by a tan inverse x by a. A is 1. Now tan inverse x. Let's see, this is the answer. Okay, modification, multiplication. Minus 1 by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 6 tan inverse x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Both are minus. And 1 here b, put y equal to minus 1, a into 0 0 minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. So b equal to 1 by 3. Here b equal to 1 by 3. Now minus of minus plus. Which one is the right option? 1 by 3 tan inverse x minus 1 by 6 tan inverse x by 2. Fourth one is the right option. For simplification చూసుకోండి, simplifications స్పీడ్ చేసినప్పుడు రాంగ్ అయిపోతుంది. Here x y equal to minus 1, this one 0, y equal to minus 1 plus 4 plus 3. By mistake minus 3 is done. So b equal to 1 by 3 here. Okay. Sorry for the mistake. Next one, if integral 2x square plus 1 by x square minus 4 into x square minus 1 dx equals log of x plus 1 by x minus a whole power a, x minus 2 by x plus 2 whole power b plus c, then values of a and b. Now integral 2x square plus 1 by x square minus 4 into x square plus 1, x square minus 1 dx. Can we observe numerator even degree, denominator even degree? So even degree, even degree, even degree. Let x square equal to y. Let x square equal to y. Now integral 2y plus 1 by y minus 4 into y minus 1. Using partial fractions, 2y plus 1 by y minus 4 into y minus 1 equals a by y minus 4 plus b by y minus 1. Now a times of y minus 1 plus b times of y minus 4. Right hand side, left hand side, LCM cancelled out. Now 2y plus 1. Now put y equal to 1. Left hand side is 3. Right hand side a into 0 0. B into minus 3b. Check once. 1 minus 4 minus 3, right? Here b equal to minus 1. Now put y equal to 4. 8 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9 equals y equal to 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 3a plus y equal to 4, 4 minus 4, 0, b to 0. Now a equal to 3, b equal to minus 1, a equal to 3. Now this will be integral 2x square, that is a by, what is a? 3. 3 by y minus 4, y equal to x square minus 4, b equal to minus 1 by y minus 1, x square minus 1 dx. Bring outside 3, integral 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, integral 1 by x square minus a square dx. What's the formula? 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Now 1 by 2a, 2 into a is 2. 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. Now minus of, this one also same formula, 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into 1, 2 log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. Now 3 by 4 log of x minus 2 by x plus 2 multiplied by minus log of a by b equal to minus log of b by a, because a by b equal to b by a whole power minus 1, b by a whole power minus 1. Now x log p base a equal to log p power x base a. The standard formula, logarithmic formula. X log p base a equal to log p power x base a. Now minus of this one plus 1 by 2 log of x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power minus 1. A by b whole power minus 1 equal to b by a. Now x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power minus 1 equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1 plus c. Because here available x plus 1 by x minus 1, మనకి ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ ఉన్నది ఏంటండి, this function result equals log of x plus 1 by x minus 1. That's why we have to convert into x plus 1 by x minus 1. మనకి ఆప్షన్లో x plus 1 by x minus 1 ఉందండి, ఎందుకు కన్వర్ట్ చేశాను. సో ఇట్ స్టాండర్డ్ రిజల్ట్ x into log p base a equals log p power x base a. Now log x minus 2 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 plus log of x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. Now log a plus log b, log a plus log b, log a into b, log of x minus 2 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 into x minus 1, x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. So compare these two, x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole power a, x plus 1 by x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2, a equals 1 by 2, a equals 1 by 2. Next, x minus 2 by x plus 2 whole power b, x minus 2 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. Now b equals 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4. So first one is the right answer. If integral 2x square plus 3 by x square minus 1 into x square plus 4 dx, can we observe numerator even degree, denominator even degree? So let x square be y. Now x square equal to y. Now 2y plus 3 by y minus 1 into y plus 4. Using partial fractions, a by y minus 1 plus b by y plus 4. Now 2y plus 3 equals to a times of y plus 3 plus b into y minus 1. Taking LCM. Here left hand side denominator, right hand side denominator cancelled out. Now first put y equals to minus 3. Minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 equal left hand side is minus 3. Okay, this one is 0. Minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 minus 4b. Now b equal to 3 by 4. Now put y equal to 1. Left hand side 5. 4a. This one is 0. Now a equal to 5 by 4. B equal to 3 by 4. A equal to 5 by 4. Okay, sorry. This one is y plus 4. Now here 4. Here a into y plus 4, b into y minus 1. Sorry. Now y equals to minus 4. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 equals to this one 0. Minus 4 minus 5b. Now b equal to plus 1. B equal to 1. Now y equal to 1. 5 equal to 5a. Now a equal to 1. B equal to 1 and a equal to 1. Now integral 2x square plus 3 by x square minus 1 x square plus 4 equal to this 1. A by a, what is a? 1. 1 by y minus 1 by here x square minus 1 plus b is 1 by y plus 4 y is x square plus 4 dx. Can you observe it is in the form of x square minus a square. 1 by integral 1 by x square minus a square dx equals to 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Now 1 by 2a, here a is 1, log of x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1 by a square plus x square, integral 1 by a square plus x square or x square plus a square dx equal to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Now 1 by a, here a is 2, 1 by 2 tan inverse x by a, x by 2 plus c. Okay, compare these two. Now a equal to 1 by 2. Now b equal to 1 by 2. Both are 1 by 2. A equal to b equal to 1 by 2. So fourth one is the right option. Next one, integral 1 by 1 plus x plus x square plus x cubed dx. Can we observe in the denominator 1 plus x plus bring outside x, again 1 plus x into bring outside x square. Okay, bring outside x square 1 x square into x cube, right? Now 1 plus x plus x square plus x cube, 1 plus x as is, bring outside common thing. What is the common thing in both the terms? X square is the common thing, bring outside x square. So 1 plus x. Now again 1 plus x times of 1 plus x square. Now this one integral 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x dx. It is the quadratic, this one is the linear. Now quadratic and linear, what's the formula? Ax plus b by quadratic plus c by linear. Now 1 by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x equals ax plus b by quadratic 1 plus x square plus c by linear 1 plus x. Taking LCM, now ax plus b into 1 plus x plus c into 1 plus x square. Here LCM denominator, left hand side denominator, right hand side denominator, both are cancelled out, equal to 1. Or one more step, 1 plus x square into 1 plus x. Here what is LCM? 1 plus x square into 1 plus x. These two are cancelled. Now first put x equal to minus 1. 1 equal, left hand side 1, put x equal to minus 1, 0. X equals c into, now c into 1 plus x square. Okay, put x equal to minus 1, 1 plus 1 to 2c. Now the value of c is 1 by 2. The value of c is 1 by 2. Let's put x equal to 0. Left hand side always 1. Put x equal to 0. A into 0 is 0. B into 1 b. X equal to 0 plus c. Now c equals 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. B also 1 by 2. C is 1 by 2 and B is 1 by 2. Let's put x equals 1. Put x equals 1. Left hand side 1. A plus b into 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 square 1 1 plus 1 2 2c. Now 2 is the common thing. Bring it this side 1 by 2. 2 will take left hand side. 1 by 2 equals a plus b plus c. Now the value of a equals b is off, c is off plus of 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. A is minus 1 by 2, b is 1 by 2, c is 1 by 2. A equals minus 1 by 2. Of this one, integral ax plus b. Here a is minus 1 by 2, x plus b is 1 by 2 by 1 plus x square dx plus integral c. C by 1 plus x, here c is 1 by 2, bring outside 1 by 2 by 1 plus x dx. Here taking LCM, 2 is the LCM, bring outside 1 by 2. Now 1 minus x by 1 plus x square dx plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x. Integral 1 by 1 plus x square, that is log of 1 plus x square. Now 1 by 2 integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx minus 1 by 2 into x by 1 plus x square dx plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x. So integral 1 by a square plus x square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, 1 by 2, 1 by a is 1, tan inverse x by a, tan inverse x. Now what is the denominator? 1 plus x square, derivative of denominator, the derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. Now multiplied by 2 divided by 2, that is 1 by 4. Now minus 1 by 4, what's the formula? Integral f dash x by f of x dx equals log of f of x plus c. I hope you are understanding. So f dash x by f of x this one, f dash x this one. So log of f of x 1 plus x square plus 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x plus c. This is the final answer. Okay, I hope you are understanding this point.